This is a ringerperm load. It consists of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1 and number 2 are for places to modify hair flow. You can use number 2 and number 3 for men's root volume or for women with short hair. Number 3 and number 4 are used for housewife's hair root volume. Number 5 and number 6 can be used for long hair root volume. The load quantity consists of the 300 units, 50 each from 1 to number 6, 20 long sticks and 150 mini sticks that can be plugged into the load are provided. I will explain the basic winding of the ringerperm load. First, apply scalp protection evenly to the area to be treated, and then spread it out by rubbing it with your hands. When you practice for the first time, scoop out a very small amount of sections. The width of the section should be made narrower than the width of the hook in the load I want to use. The hand holding the hair should only be held in tension enough not to bend the hair. Please hold it up at least 80 degrees and close to 90 degrees. At this time, if the left hand holding the hair is tightened, the winding will not work well. Because the load is so thin, it can also cause bending of the load. Hold the hair that only maintain the tension. Take a load under the hair, pushing the long stick or mini stick slightly to the left, then let it wind around. When you practice for the first time, focus on the winding. When the customer comes, you can naturally do the procedure once and a half, or even twice. Do not let go of the hand holding the hair when the winding is finished. If you let go of the hand holding the hair, the end of the hair may curl to both sides when the hair is short or strong. Winded hair will also be loose, so the exact even volume is not coming out. So don't let go of the hand holding the hair. As it is, fix the load and remove the long and mini sticks you use. Please use a soft band, which is a band exclusively for ringerperm, and treat it with X-banding. Don't let go of the hand holding the hair and fill it up and fix it with tweezers. In this way, the operation of one load was completed. I will do the next procedure. For the second procedure, leave out the hair as thick as the load you want to use. When you take out leaving low hair, for those who have thick hair but want volume, those with thin and small hair can have the treatment without leaving. Take out the amount of leaving hair by the thickness of the load you use. If you do the winding continuously without skipping the leaving hair, the load may be overwrapped because it is thin. In that case, it's hard to tie the rubber band, and there are many difficulties when applying the perm product later. So make sure take out the leaving one layer at a time and then wind it up. Again, hold a very small amount of hair and make the width of the hair narrower than the width of the load you want to use. Raise the hand holding the hair at least 80 degrees and close to 90 degrees while maintaining low tension. When winding, it is important to know at which point the load will start winding the hair. Through practice, 1 lap, 1.5 lap, 2 lap, you have to practice enough to learn it naturally. When practicing for the first time, please focus on 1 lap. Now slightly turn the hand holding the hair to the left and wind it on 1 turn as it is. Do not let go of the hand holding the hair. Fix the load while holding it as it is, then remove the stick. X-banding was done using ringerperm exclusive soft band. At this time too, do not let go of the hand holding the hair. Lift it up and fix it with twitches. Take out the leaving hair as thick as the lot you want to use again, and scoop out a small amount of the section. Raise the hand holding the hair to 80 degrees and close to 90 degrees while maintaining low tension. Put the lot under your hair and wind it up as you are pushing it to the left. Don't let go of the hand holding the hair. Hold the lot as it is and then take out the thick. Use a soft band to do X-banding. The reason I do X-banding is because the lot is thin, and in case you are concerned about the hair damage, there is only one spot where the hair and the band come into contact. If you are concerned about the hair damage, be sure to do X-banding. Put your hand holding the hair up and fix it with twitches to finish winding.